it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be testing and doing a first impressions on the Kiss Falscara lash system. This is a brand new lash system from Kiss that I picked up at Walmart. And it's basically where you put, it looks like the lashes underneath your lashes, and it's individuals, and you have a bonder and a sealer mascara. So it's really interesting, and I'm excited to try it out for you guys. I am not super skilled at lashes. I don't really love lashes. So I figured if I can master this, then anybody can do it. And if I have trouble, then it's probably not beginner friendly. So let's zoom in and test it out. In case you're wondering what's up with the crazy makeup, I wasn't feeling too well, but I really wanted to film. So I thought I'd just have fun with my makeup, and maybe that would put me in the mood for filming, despite not feeling well. So I did a SpongeBob inspired look, like the yellow and the blue and then the brown lip for his pants. And I was inspired by the song Cat Daddy. You should look it up if you've never heard it, because it's a classic and everyone should know Cat Daddy. But let's jump into the lashes. So you get the individuals, the Falscara, oh lord, this is on tight, and the lash applicator. So the individual lashes, the Falscara, and the lash applicator. And step one is brush a light coat of the bond side on my natural lashes, and there is nothing on my top lashes right now, but I do have mascara on my bottom lashes because we're not doing anything with those. Okay, so I'm gonna do one eye at a time, and then use the applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray. Oh my, come on. Oh, what? This is confusing. Why can't come out? Am I gonna break you? This is a struggle. Oh, it's covered. Was like, that's not coming off. That's like sealed on there. You're not, you're stuck there real good. I'm gonna use my fingers. Ha, got it. Oh wow, already struggling. Okay. And then pick up, gently place the wisp underneath the base of your lash, slightly away from the waterline. Okay, gotta move the mirror real flipping close to do this business. Okay. Is that good placement? That seems weird. Okay, and then I think you do that multiple times. So let's take another one. Come on. Am I waiting too long? Is the bond drying? Okay. I'm gonna just apply just a little more of that bondy stuff. Cause I really want something in the middle here. Oh god, why is this such a struggle? Stick, stick, stick. Okay, that's sticking like way out on my lashes. Stick. Okay, just pull that a little bit away from the waterline. Okay, let's do one more. I think 3 should be enough. That's actually looking a lot fuller and nicer than just my natural lashes. So let's stick that there. Okay. I mean, I could like that. And then put a thin coat of the seal end and that'll remove any sticky residue and hold it in place. That seems really not well held. I'm gonna zoom you guys in after I do the other eye, but we're gonna try this on the other eye. I only used, to get like the amount of lash that I wanted, I only used 3 out of the 5. So let's try it with the other eye, and I think you have to work fairly quickly. I feel like the Bond loses its stick fairly quickly, and the Bond is not like a good mascara for your natural lashes. Like, it's doing shit for my natural lashes. But hopefully it'll glue these suckers in place. And I'm just gonna use my fingers to place them because I'm having trouble with the applicator. Stupid hair. Okay. Now my hair's getting bonded. There we go. Yeah, that was a lot easier to do with my fingers. Okay. Okay. I'm having a much easier time going in with my fingers versus the applicator. And that looks like it's held on a lot better, and that looks a lot more natural than this side. So I think, at least for me, the trick is to not use the applicator and to use my fingers. And let's adjust this guy a little bit if we can. No? Okay, so let's zoom in and show you guys what my lashes look like. Okay, so this is my lashes up close. I don't know if you can see, but like if you were looking up at me, you could probably see the lashes, but looking down, I don't think you can see anything. So they're really well hidden, and they do look really wispy and natural, but they do add some thickness. But honestly, I have mascaras that give me the same effect. Like, you guys see me on videos all the time wearing just mascara, where my lashes look at least this good, if not better. So I don't know. Let's zoom out. So that was me testing the Falscara system from Kiss. I think it actually has a pretty easy learning curve. Like, it was really quick for me to catch on that the applicator wasn't working for me, and to use my fingers and make it look a lot more natural and just sit better. And they're pretty comfortable on this eye. On this eye, I definitely feel them. But I think I would like these a lot more than regular falsies. The problem is, it just looks like I'm wearing like a dramatic mascara. It doesn't look like the dramatic falsies that I would want to wear for a costume look, and why I would reach for falsies. So it's really up to you whether or not you think these are worth it to you, but I think they are a good product for what they are. I just don't know that it's necessarily something I would reach for on a regular basis, but I don't dislike them. I just think my mascara does just as much as these do. What are your thoughts on this product? Leave them in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. And if there's any products you guys want me to test out soon, let me know as well. I'd love to do that for you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!